We're staying in the interface.dwg file and we're diving deeper into the AutoCAD interface. Now, in later versions of AutoCAD, there are some really cool tab tools that you can utilize. Now, these apply to the last couple of versions of AutoCAD. Now, we are using the latest version of AutoCAD, which is AutoCAD 2026. And those tab tools apply in this version as well. But bear in mind, if you go back 4 or 5 versions of AutoCAD, these tab tools might not be there. So just be aware, it's the last few versions of AutoCAD that have had these tab tools. Now they're on the left-hand side of the AutoCAD screen. One's at the top, one's at the bottom. And it's these little 3 lines here. If I hover over those 3 lines, they go blue. If I click on them, I can go to any of the drawings that are open. Notice there's the interface drawing. If I hover over it, it previews it. I can set up a new drawing from a blank template. I can set up a new drawing from an existing AutoCAD template. I can open a drawing. I can save all of the drawings I've got open, and I can close all of the drawings I've got open. It's just a nice little shortcut to get access to some of the tools that you use regularly in AutoCAD. Hit escape there to lose the tab menu. Now down here bottom left, you can see a similar set of tab tools. They go blue again, like so. Bottom left corner there, click on them. There's a few more tools available. I can create a new layout tab. I can create a new layout from a template. I can go into the page setup manager. I can select all the layouts that are available and then publish those selected layouts if I select them. So if I selected all layouts, can you see they go into blue? Click there on the tab. Can you see now I can publish those selected layouts and they show highlighted in the list there as well. So if I click away, hit escape a couple of times, click there like so, can you see they're still selected? I'll go back to the model tab and they deselect. So it's a very useful little tool. I can also dock in line with the status bar or dock above the status bar. So at the moment we are in line with the status bar. Sometimes you do get a lot of layout tabs in a drawing. So if I go above, can you see there? I get a bit more scope for more layout tabs and also more settings here on the status bar if I need them. So if I go back to the tab like so and dock in line with the status bar, it drops down to the bottom of the screen again like so. So those little tool tabs are quite useful. And they just allow you to navigate and do things quickly and easily by just clicking on them and selecting one of the bits of functionality that you might need to work with in the AutoCAD interface.